new steps. Hi, my name is Mariah Mullins, and I like to do hip hop because it lets me show my personality and my energy.
My name is Cameron, and I like hip hop because it's fun and it's fast.
Yep, yo, what's up? Finally got your girl going crazy. Drunk white. I can do it all and it ain't no problem. Ain't nobody harder than a folklore. I go hard.
Hi, my name is Nikki Kupaladi. I am a student here at Dance and Body Works, and I love it. It's good for my feet, it's good for my health, it's awesome exercise, and I have the best teachers.
Ain't nobody checking for your garbage. Lot of intuition, I ain't near finished college. Never hit them all and forever get it all. Any broad better layer like I'm dressing for the Ford. And I'm all that, hit the passenger door. Shawty was pink, very sweet, and I ain't lactose. I ain't tryna brag though, I just know I'm that dope. Kick game Bojack, my Bojack's top boat. And it ain't no problem, you race to these bras, I relay them, baton them. In here 1,000, but when you step out